I made my first experimental models to provide myself with means to listen to music. I could have bought the speakers, but I wanted something with a closer approach to accuracy of reproduction.
In the heart of America, a legend was born. Klipsch, founded in 1946 by Paul W. Klipsch, a pioneer whose innovations reshaped the audio landscape forever. From the heartland to the world stage, Klipsch continues its legacy of excellence. Every Klipsch product is crafted with precision and passion. Designed and engineered right here in the USA, embodying the spirit of American ingenuity, Klipsch integrates the latest acoustic technology into every product we make. So join us on the frontier of audio innovation and experience legendary American sound. Klipsch, since 1946.